Everybody, it's Simon. You're watching Cryptechology. Yay! So, what are we going to get into today? We're going to talk some more about NFTs. In this video, you're going to learn about NFTs. What are NFTs? Well, NFTs stand for non-fungible tokens. We're also going to learn about where you can get the hottest crypto apparel and the newest place for collaboration in the crypto community. And last, we're going to get into the best thing you can do with $50. So, if you want to listen and you're down to learn about any of that, well, keep on watching. Hit that like button. Hit that subscribe because I'm trying to talk to the community. So, if you want to level up, you want to enhance your future self, you want to earn some passive income, well, stop bullshitting and let's get to work. You see, the thing is, look, money is about putting your bread to work. It is a tool. So if you don't know how to use a tool, and then you can't build. It's go time, grow time. It is time to level up. It is time to enhance your future self. Alright, look, I say these things not because I want you to get to a higher place in your life, but because I want to get to a higher place in my life. Yo, I'm going to become a billionaire. And I don't care what anybody says. I know it's crazy. I know it's absurd. You don't think I know that? You don't think I don't know that? Like, come on, y'all. So anybody that's sitting here looking and listening and watching, yo, keep watching. All you watchers out there, keep on watching. Okay? Because you're going to do exactly what I need you to do. Watch and talk ish. That's it. That's all you're going to do. You're going to watch and you're going to talk shit, and you're going to be like, that person is no good. That person can't do this. Oh, he's not doing this. He's not doing that. He's bullshit. He's inconsistent. He's this. He's that. Of course, I'm all of it. And you know why? Because I am growing. Yo, when you come to Cryptechology, you're seeing my progression. You're seeing it all happen. I'm not cutting and editing and this and that. This is raw footage of what's going on. Look, I'm trying to level up with blockchain and cryptocurrency, and I'm documenting what I've been doing to earn some passive income. So, we're going to get into it a little bit more today. Like I said, if you want to watch and learn about NFTs, non-fungible tokens, if you're new to cryptocurrency and you're new to blockchain, well, this is a great place to come and learn and figure out how you can earn some passive income by putting your crypto to work. You see, when it comes to cash, it's about making the right investment moves. Now, before we get into this video, we're going to have to do a little of disclaiming. This channel is specifically for entertainment and educational purposes only. You will not become a billionaire after watching this video, but you will become a little bit smarter, and you will learn how to make passive income. But this is not educational. This is not financial advice. Anything that I say is not a recommendation to buy, sell, hold, trade, invest, whatever it is, in any stock, crypto, or anything. Please take some time, do your own due diligence, and hire a financial advisor for professional investment and trading opportunities. Or not opportunities, your investment and trading needs. Now, if you want to stick around and listen to what I got to say, by all means, let's get into it. Okay. Now, before we get into NFTs, we're going to go about a couple minutes of a little, let's just say advertisement. But I'm not getting paid by nobody. Probably should fix that, right? I mean, look, this video is sponsored by me because I am the owner of dogelord.com, okay? dogelord.com is where you will come to figure out the hottest place to find crypto apparel. Look, you see, we're building out dogelord.com because I want to become an example of collaboration. You see, right now we have a page of just a few content creators in the mining community, but I want to expand this out to the crypto world, to the metaverse, okay? To the people of the chain, to all of you, all right? I want to reach out and say, do you really love blockchain? Has blockchain or cryptocurrency enhanced your life? Do you see the opportunities in Web3? If you answered yes in any of those questions, and you either have A, your own merchandise, B, your own NFT, or C, both, well, this is the place to be. Because I want you to pick one item so you can showcase it here on dogelord.com, okay? dogelord.com is going through a new renovation. This is all going to change, all right? So if you're interested in helping and changing out this new storefront, okay, so I have this amazing idea. I can't share it with you guys. I really want to, but yo, I got this sick idea that you know, it's really gonna be a place where you can come and interact, and then you can come here, find out what's going on in blockchain, learn a little bit, okay, get some sick ass gear, also see what's trending in the markets, and at the same time find other collaborators out there, content creators, you know what I mean, and just repping it. I mean, just really, this is about repping, because look, blockchain, Bitcoin, Ethereum, all of this, okay, this won't work if there isn't collaboration. The only reason all of this works is because of collaboration. And yet we're all content creators selling individually on your own website, page, or YouTube channel. Like, for real, like, where's the blockchain collaboration? Where's the chain collaboration? The collaboration of the chain, okay? The chain people of the chain. For real, where y'all at? Why are you not collaborating? Okay, why are you not being an example of this Bitcoin, this cryptocurrency that's changed your life? All right, that's made yourself, you know, wealthy. Some of you became billionaires, millionaires, cryptonaires. All right, but yet you're still selling your merchandise individually on your own store. But yet you talk about how much you love crypto, but then you don't show collaboration. I don't know. And that's not for everybody, because there's plenty of them out there that's actually collaborating, that's doing their thing, that's sharing information, that's teaching, all right, that is really giving back to the community. So that it's not about y'all, okay? The ones that are doing it, it's not about y'all. But I do appreciate you, and I would love for you to come and join dogelord.com and let us do our part in repping you and your merchandise and what you have to offer. Okay, you see all this white space here on the right and all this white space here on the left? Okay, this is going to be filled up. All right, this is going to be filled up. Now, I'm not going to tell you what's going to go there, but it's going to give you information necessary so you can make the right moves. All right, that's what's going to go there. All right, and then you'll know what's going on just because you came to dogelord.com, you were checking out the gear, and you saw the things on the right, the things on the left, okay, and you're like, damn, yo, I saw that on dogelord.com, yo, let me go check out the marketplace, and bada bing, bada boom. All right. But look, we can't get too heavy into it because I can't give it away. Can't give it away. I gotta give y'all a reason to come back, and I gotta show you the transition. You know what I'm saying? I gotta show you how we're upgrading, how we're moving up a little bit in the game. All right, and then let me tell y'all something. Yo, look, I started with just $842 to my name. All right, it was March 17th, 2020. I will never forget March 16th, 2020. All right. I had $842 left to my name. But I knew there was a way to put this money to work, and I had to figure it out. And I did. And I grew that $842 to more than $40,000, funded my PSB Advanced Technology company, end up getting mining equipment, end up becoming blockchain development certified through training, was able to fund multiple trading accounts and start yield farming, okay, and was able to now end up getting the attention of another IT company that I'm now running their MSP program. When you want to talk about leveling up from where I'm at, right, from where I started to now being worth with all of my assets combined, you know, damn near $250,000. Yo, what? I didn't think it was possible. But look, the thing is, it's only $250,000. It's nothing. It's nothing. It is nothing to brag about. That's why I'm not really talking about it, but I'm talking about it. Okay? But it is nothing to brag about. I am nowhere near that $1 billion. I am nowhere near my end. I am just getting started. Okay? I just got my toe. I just dipped it in the pool just a little bit. The toe is wet. Alright? I'm just getting started. We got a lot of things that is coming to fruition. We manifesting our dreams. We manifesting our goals. We are going after. We going for the goal. We going for the bag. And this is how we're going to do it. 1, we're going to mine cryptocurrency. 2, I'm going to start teaching about blockchain, because I've been using blockchain and it has enhanced my life and it's enhanced myself, and I know it can enhance you. And 3, we're just going to keep on trading because, well, damn, I'm good at it and I like it and I enjoy it, and I've met some really amazing people, and those are the things we're going to do. It's a 3-step plan. All right, you use your earned income. Earned income becomes investment income, which then in turn generates passive income. All right. Now, what are the ways? Step 1, an earned income. What are you going to do for your earned income? These are the things you need to say to yourself. All right. So you need to ask yourself, what are my current revenue streams? All right. And then you're going to ask yourself, how can I add an additional revenue stream to what I'm currently doing that doesn't require me to be on site? All right, try to think of something that you can generate revenue from that will not require you to be on site. So what does that mean? I want you either 1, to obtain knowledge, okay, or 2, find something that you can automate, all right, or 3, think of something that you can repeat with a low operating costs and investment. So whatever it is that you're currently doing right now, ask yourself, can I monetize this? And to the ones that feel some type of way monetizing your knowledge or anything like that, get over it. I was like that, and I wasted a lot of time being concerned over something that I just realized that, like, yo, everybody is just, man, just get over it, alright? Number two, yo, cash ain't for nothing but a tool. For real. Stop valuing cash. Stop hodling that cash, alright? Stop putting it under the mattress, allowing it to just sit there and collect dust and go to waste, alright? There is no reason you should be saving your cash, okay? You know why? Because you are losing. You are losing. Like, literally, the value of the dollar is decreasing, and inflation is happening. And just like I was telling people before, you know what I mean? Like, I'm going to say it again a little bit, but the dollar today is worth less than it was yesterday. $20 today cannot buy you the same thing it did last year. Damn, I remember when I used to be able to get a big ass sub for $5. And I don't mean no foot long Subway sub. I'm talking about regular, like, good, just like nice hoagie, you know what I mean? Like $5 filled you up. Can't do that no more. I literally got a wrap and some extra chicken and a drink, and that shit cost $21. I'm like, what the? Not that I'm complaining about the price, but I'm just saying, like, that's where we're at right now, okay? And if you're in the U.S., they're buying up the property like crazy. So if you're thinking about getting into real estate, you better do it now, or you better start planning on doing it now, because, yo, the wealthy, they're just buying up all the land. Before you know it, there's not gonna be anything available. They're taking away your ability to own. They're taking away ownership. Do you understand? They are taking away your ability to own. That's why you're seeing a whole bunch of attachment homes going up. You see townhomes going up. You're seeing condos going up. Apartments going up. All right? With HOAs. So that means they own the land. They're building on the land. And they're just going to rent everything out. And everyone's just like, oh, I don't care. I just need a place to stay because I'm going to go to work. And I don't care about owning. Because I don't want to manage the property. I don't want to do this. I don't want to do that. That's fine. All right, I get it. But at the same time, just understand exactly what you're really giving up. It is not just about rent. Because once a financial institution buys land and then builds development on it, you got land, like, you ain't getting it back. There's no more land then. And then before you know it, you looking for a place to have your own home, and you're looking for a place to have your own, build your family and do your own thing, and then you can't find any land, and everything is an HOA. You got homeowner association. Then you find out that you don't even really own the land, and it's so just understand what's going on. And that's why blockchain is so important right now, because there's opportunity. The barrier for entry has been lowered, and the ability to progress in your life right now has changed. It's time to pivot. All right? It is time to pivot. We can't think about it anymore. You're either going to pivot or you're going to get left behind. It's go time, grow time. All right? Time to level up and enhance your future self. And so everybody knows what's been going on with NFTs, right? So what are NFTs? NFTs stand for non-fungible tokens. All right, NFTs are non-fungible tokens. Let's just go to let's go to somewhere where they have NFTs, okay? So these are what a few NFTs look like. This is just on CeeLo. Alright, so when you own, now this is not on Ethereum, So when you own an NFT, okay, this is what it's gonna look like. You're gonna have your multiple NFTs, and they're gonna show you a little picture. Okay, if you want to purchase NFTs, okay, you go to this place called OpenSea. All right, this is a marketplace. Zrun is actually a blockchain game, or digital horse racing that I participate in. All of these horses are NFTs. Okay. Another thing, when you are looking, you want to look at the rankings and the activity. So when you're searching for NFTs, you want to see who's got the volume right now. Okay, where is the money at this current moment? Okay, what type of volume is going on? All right. So you can see this has had 39,000 or so, 40,000 damn ETH. Like, damn. All right, that's crazy volume. Moonbirds. I'm sure a lot of people have heard about Moonbirds by now. All right, I remember the floor price at 16. All right, now it's at 26. Okay, I mean, look, I'm gonna be 100 with y'all. I can't afford no damn Moonbirds. Okay, but you can trade and flip these all day. Another good tactic, just to let you guys know. All right, so look at this. You got Mutant Ape Yacht Club. Okay, look, floor price at 38.4. Okay, I mean, I don't even know what I'm looking at. This shit's disgusting to me, but I get it all. All right, I get it. I just don't like. I don't like that one. You got Bored Ape Yacht Club. You have RTFKT. You got V Friends. Is this Gary? Okay. So you have this and this. Look at this. This is less than an ETH, 0.87. All right, this is Series 2, it looks like. So I would want to check out VFriends and see how Series 1 did. And see how that performed. Actually, let's do that right now. Let's see. Is that on here? VFriends. All right, here we go. Here's the first one. 9.2. Look at that. 9.2. All right. So here's your chance to get into VFriends. Okay. Look, yo, I just gave y'all some game right now. All right. It's number 6 on the list. Okay. It's a Series 2. The current floor price is still under 1 ETH right now. Okay. And as you can see in the first VFriends, damn, can I even... Damn, 2,500. I don't have 0.9 ETH right now to do that. But if I did, I would buy this. Right, I would buy this if I did. Alright, so that's why we're leveling up. That's why we're leveling up. Now, I have some of these, okay, on CeeLo blockchain, and this is a new community. It's a new blockchain. It's just coming up. I got a few. I got some on the Solana Star Atlas. Let me show you those. Now, Star Atlas is a blockchain game that I've been playing. It's on the Solana blockchain. Okay. So when you need to, you got to go and connect your wallet. So you connect Phantom. Okay. You put your passcode in. Alright, after you do that, alright, so now I'm connected, okay? So now that I'm connected, let's go ahead and take a look at the inventory. Some things I own. I got some more ships, alright? Let's go to the faction fleet. Alright, so we're going to manage your fleet. So this is what you can do. You can actually start playing, per se, the game. I got to repair my fleet in the market. So you need to get a toolkit. But I believe I already had the toolkit. So just to show you guys. So this is how you get the toolkit. So say if I want to get 1,000 toolkit, it's gonna cost me 17 or oopsies 1.75 whatever Atlas. So you press buy if you have it in your wallet. All right, it's gonna check. So now it's approving the transaction. So you say approve. If that goes through, you can see it's placed in this order down here. And there we go. So order has been placed. 1,000 toolkit has been added. So now that I would just go to my inventory, I'll wait for this to show up here. Actually, oh, I forgot I got a badge. Oh, nice. I forgot I had a badge. Collectibles, resources, ammunition. Oh, I didn't have a toolkit. I thought I did. Alright, so now we're just waiting for the toolkit to show up. This is the Star Atlas Marketplace. Okay, so these are all different ships in the marketplace. Alright, I have the Pierce X4, the Opal Jet, and did I get the X5? No, I wanted to get the X5. And then there's also this Fimble. So these are all the different ships. So then you can use that to essentially like you're yield farming with it. Alright. So it's their fleet data, toolkit. I already have the toolkit. And I can claim Atlas. I'm making about 1.9 Atlas a day off of what I'm working, but my ships aren't doing anything. And why can't I add additional ships to your fleet? Why can't I add more? I need to enlist more ships. Alright, so all this is good, but I'm just waiting. So I enlisted 85 days ago with the Pierce X4. What happens if I withdraw entire fleet? Your ships will be returned and you will no longer earn rewards. Okay, confirm. Alright, so we're going to withdraw the entire fleet right now. The reason I'm doing that is because I have new ships that I want to try. Is it going to let me withdraw the fleet? There's an issue with my request. Why? Let's go to my inventory. Let's see. Did my resources come in yet? Refresh. No, not yet. Oh, they're doing some work on the blockchain right now. That's why. All right, so no problem. So we'll come back to this later. Can I claim some Atlas? Probably not. All right, so we'll come back to that later. Okay, so here's some more NFTs and what they look like. Let's go to now what I wanted to show you guys, which is the Lofty Marketplace. Okay, this is where you can come and basically earn some passive income off of real estate on the blockchain, literally. So let's take a look at my properties on the blockchain. So let's just go to account. All right, so I currently have about 14 properties on the blockchain. This is the current account value as I continue to grow this out. And I've made a total of $12.87 total rent earned. I get it, it's not a lot at this moment, but it is a lot, okay? Compared to what I have invested, compared to the gatekeepers and exactly how I was able to purchase, become partial ownership of 14 properties through a blockchain with no, middleman, with no stipulations and all this other nonsense that makes things difficult. And this is just for the, this is really good for just like, property management, portfolio management, understanding what it entails to manage a real estate property and what type of documents are required to go through this, because so this is one of the properties that has done pretty well so far for me. So it's done a couple things. So number one, there's 3 ways you can make money off of this investment. So you have the increase of the token price, right? You have the increase of the actual property, and then you have the increase of the what was it? So it's the token price, the token, oh yeah, that's what it is. So you have the token price, the appreciation of the actual asset, which is the property, the house, the building, and then you actually have the rental income. So these are 3 ways that you could potentially earn more off of your $50 or whatever investment it is. So this was one of the first ones that I've gotten into, where I got 2 tokens, and it's only 0.08% ownership of this. However, when I got involved, these were $50 tokens. Now it's a minimum of $52.26. So each token, so now my 2 tokens has increased in value. So this token price has gone up 5.05% so far. There's a total of 194 tokens left to it. And just to do that, we're going to actually, let's just go through the process of getting a token. Adding another one right now. So we're going to add another one to this property. So this is what you would do. So basically you would have your token quantity here after you selected your property. Actually, let's go back real quick. Before you select the property, there's something you want to look at. All right. So these are a couple things that I'm looking at when I'm deciding on which property that I want to buy some tokens on. So number one, I'm obviously going through the pictures. I want to see what does that current property look like right now. What kind of damage. I want to see if people are living in it. I want to see just what's going on. Okay, if there's any upgrades necessary. So it looks like, all right, so it's good. All right, so we have some livable space in it. It doesn't look too crazy. All right, so then we're going to go over the financials. All right, so this is the current underlying asset price, but this is not where we're stopping. Okay, so this is just good information that we'll go through. I'm going to be adding and creating an Excel spreadsheet with you guys together, and we're going to go through all of this and how we can analyze and track all this data, and we can show you how you can use this to your advantage in the future. And this is another projection of year 5, 10, 20, 30 from your initial investment. So my investment of $50, well, now it's $52.26. So the total investment value after 5 years will be $96.16. And this is showing you how you're going to get to that number. So you might say, well, damn, 5 years. Well, yeah, because this is real estate. This is not a get rich quick scheme. This is, asset management, real asset value, real world hard asset. And if you've seen any of my videos, or if you watch anything, I created a Gitcoin grant, 2 years ago or a year and a half ago. So, and I've been working on one of my projects, which I need to get back to, but is called Project Hat, which is hard asset tokens. And this is before, this was started, and it's on there on Gitcoin, and you can, Gitcoin, and you can see it where, actually I can show you right now. Let's go to it. Where, I was talking about this before. Okay. Let's go to my Gitcoin page. Alright. So I've made $133. Still working on it. Okay, reliability, high. Contributor, okay. And let's go to, is it is the about me. I got 100 followers. That's my hackathon. My grants. Is this it? Oh yeah, here we go. Here we go. Enhance your future self. Alright. This was last updated 6 months ago. Does it say when I created this grant? Project Hat. Let's see, 23 days ago. That was 5 months ago. 6 months ago. Yeah. Yeah, so I got I got some more work to do, but yeah. Oh yeah, this was the FutureSELF token that I created so it's all coming together, hard asset tokens. So yeah, don't want to give away that game there. Alright, so another thing you want to look for is the market. Okay, so how's this market doing? So when I look at this chart, I see in 2018-19 the market was for rent was at 12.5%. Now it's at currently 8.89%. You know, negative 5.88%, and then 1.43. So you can see that has increased substantially since last year, and I think that the market's still continuing to grow. As you can see that, so it says the average price of homes in Cleveland has increased over 18% this past year, and the average rents have increased over 8%. That's more than 50% of the homes in Cleveland are occupied by renters, making it an ideal fit for rental property investors. Cleveland ranks among the top 10 U.S. cities for population growth of college-educated millennials, according to the Cleveland Foundations. All right, employment growth is up by about 1.43% year over year, and the GDP of Cleveland has increased by more than 12% in the last decade. All right, so this is what an NFT is. Okay, an NFT is a non-fungible token. So if you ever purchased like tickets to a concert or bought like baseball cards or anything like that, then you're already familiar with non-fungible commodities. So these goods aren't just, aren't interchangeable. All right, so because they come from certain unique qualities about them and add or reduce their value. So for example, like baseball cards are condition effects. It's a value. The condition of the card is what, we decide on the value of the card. And you can go get like a card minted and you get the card graded. And then they'll let you know based on the condition of that card. Okay, locations of a seat at a concert. All right, is another thing that affects ticket price. All right, the value in that is how close you are to the stage. All right, so one of the studies that was released about non-fungible tokens in the market, okay, was basically stated that the total value of all of the NFT transactions, including the minting, the breeding, the renting, all of that, is skyrocketed from 62 million in 2019 to a crazy 250 million in 2020. All right, 62 mil to 250 mil from 2019 to 2020. You're talking some crazy numbers right there. All right, NFT traders have also mostly seen extraordinary gains in the same time frame, right? So I mean, I don't need to talk about it. You've seen people talk about gains of 500,000, all right, on a single year. Some of them just trade in NFTs and getting that type of, in a few months or in a few weeks, just, buying and selling NFTs. And I showed you an example of how you can look in the marketplace, find, some valuable NFTs, and how you can get in that trade right now. I gave you an amazing opportunity with VFriends in the series 2 that's coming out. That's currently under 1 ETH. The last series, on the very first one, I believe was, if I'm not mistaken, was about 9 point something ETH already. You know what I'm saying? So like, that is just an example of how you can look at previous information to make an educated guess on a potential future move. Now, hey, anything can happen. It can go to zero, and series 2 can be a complete flop. But what you do have is at least some type of analytical data that you can go back and measure and check and then see the success. Success leaves clues. So that was a successful growth in NFT community, and it's not like VFriends and Gary V is just a nobody. He's also building out his community of followers and subscribers, and he's got a great message at the same time when he's communicating with people. So there's a lot more to his NFTs than just the artwork, and I believe you get access to his network, to his community, and potentially to future events, presentations, and speaks in the future. So that's something you want to take a look at. All right, so a non-fungible standard. All right, so in Ethereum, NFTs are also known as an ERC 721. Okay, the ERC 721 basically is just a transferable solidity smart contract standard. All right, so developers can simply create a new ERC 721 compliant contracts by importing them onto OpenZeppelin library. This standard maps unique identifiers that addresses representing the owner of that identifier. It also permits that the transfer of those assets using the transfer from method. Okay, so these two methods are all you need to characterize an NFT. The first one is just basically saying that it's a standard to represent non-fungible digital assets. All right, and then the second there, you got the smart contract, and then you have the transfer from method. So it's a way to check who owns it, and then a way to transfer it to a new owner. Now, there's also something called an ERC 1155. All right, so this is basically that brings the idea of fungibility to the NFT world. So under the standard, IDs denote classes of an asset as opposed to the single assets. So what does that mean? An ID might represent like blades, and a wallet could own 6,000 of these blades. In this case, the balance of method would return the number of blades owned by a wallet. And the user can transfer any number of these blades by calling the transfer from with the blade ID. This is an efficient system. If a user wanted to transfer 6,000 blades under the ERC 721 standard, they would need to change the smart contract state, basically doing this transfer from method, all right, for 6,000 unique tokens. But with the 1155 standard, the developer only needs to call the transfer from with a quantity of 6,000 and execute a single transaction. So what does all that means? Basically, that's stating that the 721 would mean that if you had 6,000 items under that wallet, you would need to do 6,000 transactions for that. Now, if you had the 1155, this will allow you to basically execute all of that in one transaction. All right, so there's also some other things that, there's that gets into NFTs, but I really don't want to, overwhelm you with information, because there is a lot to it, and there's more than just the 721 and 1155. All right, but although NFTs were born on Ethereum, okay, there are several other NFT standards out there pertaining to other chains like Solana and CeeLo, and I showed you guys, and Algorand, because that's what Lofty's on, and these real estate properties are NFTs on the Algorand blockchain. So I just want you guys to know that this is not utilizing the Ethereum blockchain. All right, this is utilizing the Algorand blockchain, Algo, ALGO. And then Star Atlas, well, that's using the Solana blockchain. And then those assets, the toolkit that I was talking about, that is what you're going to need for the Solana blockchain. And those are the differences right here. There's 3 examples of Ethereum, which was the OpenSea. All right, we're on OpenSea looking at the marketplace. We're looking at Zrun. All right, Zrun, those digital horses, they utilize the Ethereum blockchain and also the Matic. All right, Polygon. At the same time, we went over CeeLo, which is the CeeLo blockchain, and they have their own NFT community and marketplace that they're building up right now with one of my favorites, which is the chinchillas. So that's what's going on with NFTs, okay? And the opportunity is just crazy right now because it's a new asset class. That's what's going on with blockchain and cryptocurrencies right now with NFTs. There's a new asset class coming to the game, coming to the playing field, and you need to make that decision whether or not you are going to participate in it or not. Remember, scared money don't make money. Okay, and with any new asset, with any investment, there's a possibility you can be completely wrong and you go sideways and you lose everything. But what about the chance that you are spot on? What about that? That's life changing. That's game changing. And just on that alone, for me, that's enough for me to just say, look, I'm ready to bag up. And I'm using all of my means to do so. And to learn everything I possibly can to, to participate in this opportunistic time period that we're in. This new transitional moment that we're in. The largest wealth transfer in the history of mankind, of humankind, of just the human race. So before we close this out, I'm going to just go over a couple things with NFTs, because you need to understand when you're looking at NFTs, something else you want to pay attention to are the characteristics. And these are some of the characteristics that you want to pay attention to when it comes to NFTs. Remember, NFT stands for non-fungible tokens. So you have digital ownership, all right? So people who have an NFT in their wallet own and control that NFT. So that's digital ownership. You can verify digital ownership through your wallet and your wallet address, like MetaMask, Phantom, or Algorand, like MyAlgo. It's permanent. What does that mean? NFTs have data permanently stored within the token. This information includes the images, messages, signatures, and any other data like metadata. So this is something that's used to help measure the rarity. Okay, so you'll see a new NFT community or project come out and they'll have different rankings of rarity. And you're like, what does that even mean? Well, the different rankings of rarity is basically distinguished by the metadata that was described in creating the NFT. So you have all those metadatas the background, the item, the color, the facial, whatever it is. Okay, and then so they'll just say, for example, they'll have a blue background with holding a diamond. All right, so any NFT that has a diamond, say there's only 3% out of the 10,000 that have that. So that means that if you have an NFT that has that diamond, essentially that is going to be more rare than anything else because only 3% out of the 10,000 have that. That being said, so that means your NFT should be more rare, and the way you're going to do that is by all of that metadata, that details. So let me just show you a quick example. Do I have one open already? This is not up. I would have to go to Cyberbox. Let me see. Can I? Oh wait, my Phantom wallet. I can show you my actual NFT. All right, so we have a few NFTs here. Let's just go over to Kaizens. All right, so the Kaizen NFTs. All right, so you see this, we got some properties. Okay, decal, the weapon, helmet, body. This is a new game that's in the works and development. That's gonna be coming out soon. I can't wait to participate in it. Oh man, I've been waiting for this one. So I'll have some more video on Kaizen. This is two NFTs that I created myself. Alright, so as you can see, the background, cloth, eyes, hair, hat, mouth, necklace, and skin. Okay, properties. Alright, this is the leak from the Royal Stripe. So I made this NFT myself. Okay, and same thing as this one, but this one has nothing on the bottom. You see, there's no property. So that's the difference right there. You can see the differences between the NFTs and having that property data. So this one has no property data. This is just known as an Atlas badge. Okay, this is just a resource, no property data. Okay, no metadata underneath it. So there's no way to test rarity. There's no difference between the two. No property. Okay, no rarity between the Opal Jet. There's only one kind. Doesn't matter which one you have. Okay, same thing here. So that is just an example of all of that right there. Okay, so one more time, let's take a look at, head on over to dogestore.com, get your diamond shirt today. This is just, a way to help support my channel, help support what I'm doing. I'm really trying to put together a blockchain course on everything, blockchain basics. I want to create a huge curriculum to help people get into blockchain, to learn more about crypto mining. I'm going to be making some video drops on here. We're going to get into blockchain development as well. I have so much information through my GitHub, my Gitcoin, and just my experience on using the blockchain each and every day. All right, so another characteristics on the NFTs, we had the permanent and we have permissionless. Okay, so permissionless means basically the NFTs can be built on a permissionless blockchain like Ethereum. And then we have programmable. All right, programmable NFTs, just a selection of code on the blockchain. Okay, so it can be programmed to have several attributes. All right, that's the metadata. Those are properties, the attributes to help me, that we use for rarity. So for example, NFT artwork might be programmed to also pay the artist royalties on every secondary sale of the artwork. So what does that mean? So that means you minted an NFT and you have it. Now you end up selling that NFT. Okay, now anytime that NFT goes through a transaction and is sold to another party, a percentage of that goes to the actual owner, the one that created and did the original mint. All right, if they establish royalties in the beginning, that's how that gets paid out. And then last and not least, but it is uniqueness. Unique NFTs are unique, and that uniqueness can be confirmed on the blockchain, and that's how you can keep track of everything by going through like Etherscan. Okay, every blockchain has an explorer. So like on Ethereum, there's this thing called Etherscan, and on Etherscan here you can search different addresses. So each token has an address. All right, and you can search address. You can even search your own address. So basically you can open up your MetaMask wallet, okay, and then search your actual address here, right in that wallet. So we're gonna go ahead and do that. For example, so we're gonna put in my address here. We're gonna search it. So now this is gonna pull up my wallet and what assets I have in my wallet. You can see I have some render, got some Gitcoin from when I was participating in the hackathon. What's the word? I got some Million tokens, some Uniswap. Okay, we got some Cryptechology, ENZF. What is this? It's a token I created. 315 days ago. Maybe I did. I don't remember. Oh no. I gotta look to see what that is. In time? It's the contract. Oh, Matic. Enzyme. Yeah. Oh my gosh, I totally forgot about Enzyme. So this is when I was participating in the Enzyme hackathon, and I believe I got shares, and yeah. Oh man, I totally forgot about that. Okay, so you see, this is why it's what you can learn about just by participating in a blockchain. Oh yeah, let's do this. So we're gonna get can I get 2? Can't remember how many tokens I had left. Let's just do 1 for sake. So we're gonna do a little bit of that. Okay, we're gonna do that. Accept that. Then we're going to do a little bit of this. They're going to ask me some questions, and then we're going to be like, yay. We're going to do a little bit of that. And they're going to tell me if I have enough to buy. Yes or no. I don't remember what was in my wallet. So hopefully I'm not made to look like a fool. Oh, payment complete. Oh, it looks like we are good. Success. Yay. And now we have added some more tokens to the asset overview. So let's just go ahead and take a look at that. So now we should have another token added, but I don't remember which one I did it. Oh crap. Was it this one? Maybe it was the first one. I don't know. It was one of these, but I got it now. Okay. So, alright. Wow, this video was a lot longer than I thought. I'm so sorry, y'all. Well, if you made it to the end, leave a comment below. Say diamond hands. And if you do, you'll get entered into a drawing to win some Doge Lord coffee. I have a free bag of Doge Lord coffee. I want to give it out to anyone that made it to the end of this video. If you made it to the end of this video, put in the comment section below diamond hands, and so I know you made it to the end. Alright, y'all, have a good one. Catch you on the next.